Hello friends, this is yet another tutorial in the series of VB6. If you have missed any of the previous tutorial, please refer to those tutorials. In this tutorial we will learn about Listbox control in VB6 and also explore combo box control. So let's start the tutorial. Create a new project. So this is the thing that we have done throughout this series to create a new project. Do not forget to save your work if you are just a beginner in VB6 as it saves a lot of time. Then here is the list box control and combo box. First we are instantiating list box control and double click on it. Here is the list box control. If you want to provide list of an item to list control, navigate to its list property here. Then write some list like apple, banana. If you want to keep on adding the items, press Ctrl Enter. Then you can write down berry, mango, and so on. You can add numerous items in a single list. So as you might have noticed that scroll bars are automatically attached when there is not enough space to show all the items. Then we are using a text box and then setting its text property to blank, and then just below the text box we are putting up a command button and caption is add item. Our aim here is when we click on the add item button, whatever the text is there in text box 1 is appended to the list box, that is an item is added onto the list box. So click on the add item button to go to its click event. Then we are writing if text1.text is equal to null, then we are first validating the text field whether it is empty. So please provide an item to add, else we are adding an item using list box 1. Here we are seeing the name of the control, that is list 1, that is list 1 dot add item method, which accepts single argument as an item. The item here is text1 dot text. Then so here we are using add item method of the list box to add an item. Then do not forget to end the if. Then press F5 to run the program. So when you first click on add item button without providing any text, it will show the message box that is please provide an item to add. Then provide something like awesome and then add. Here you can see that the text is added to the list box. Try again and add like Sachin and add. Sachin is also added to the list box. Again type in Rahul and then add. You can see that Rahul is also added to the list box. So this tutorial was explaining you about list box control in VB6. Combo box is also similar kind of control, but in addition to list box, it gives flexibility to type in the text that we want to select. That is, in list box you cannot type in the text here, you can only select it. But in combo box you can also type the text and select it also. So it is a bit flexible compared to list box. So hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Thank you.